If you want to run your code repeatedly, like once in a day or twice in a day, you can create cron jobs. If you are using ingest, it is very easy. Go to src/lib/ingest/functions. Here you need to create your function. For example, we already have a hello world function. So here instead of event, you have to specify the cron. So this function will be executed every day at midnight. So you can do stuff like revalidating your database or sending emails or expiring plans. If you are not using ingest, what you need to do is you have to create an API in src/app/API. Here you can create a new route. For example, I'm creating a new revalidate expired plans. Here you need to create a new file route.ts. So here basically you can write your core logic, and once this thing is done, you can register this endpoint in Vercel cron. So create a vercel.json file in your code base, and you can specify the path that should run every minute, every hour, or maybe every day. So this is how you can create cron jobs with Indicate.